Welcome to Bike Shift. In today's video, we take a detailed look at the 2026 HAL Tejas Mk2, India's next-generation indigenous fighter jet designed to take air combat capability to an entirely new level. With enhanced power, advanced avionics, and multi-role dominance, the Tejas Mk2 represents a major leap forward for modern air forces. The 2026 HAL Tejas Mk2 features a larger and more refined airframe compared to earlier Tejas variants. The aircraft has been redesigned to carry more fuel internally, improving its combat radius and endurance. Its sleek aerodynamic profile, strengthened structure, and optimized wing design ensure better stability at high speeds while maintaining agility in close combat scenarios. At the heart of the Tejas Mk2 is a more powerful engine that significantly boosts thrust and overall performance. This upgrade allows the aircraft to achieve higher speeds, faster climb rates, and improved payload capacity. The enhanced engine performance ensures superior maneuverability, making the Tejas Mk2 highly effective in both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. The cockpit of the 2026 HAL Tejas Mk2 is fully digital and pilot-centric. It includes a modern glass cockpit, large multifunction displays, and an advanced helmet-mounted display system. These features provide real-time situational awareness, reducing pilot workload and improving decision-making during high-intensity combat operations. The Tejas Mk2 is designed as a true multi-role fighter, capable of carrying a wide range of modern weapons. It supports beyond visual range missiles, precision-guided bombs, and advanced air-to-air missiles. With multiple hardpoints and upgraded radar systems, the aircraft can dominate air superiority missions while also delivering precise ground strikes. While not a stealth fighter in the traditional sense, the Tejas Mk2 incorporates reduced radar cross-section features and advanced electronic warfare systems. Its modern sensors, active electronically scanned array radar, and self-protection systems enhance survivability in contested airspace, allowing it to detect and counter threats effectively. The 2026 HAL Tejas Mk2 plays a crucial role in strengthening indigenous defense capabilities. It bridges the gap between light combat aircraft and heavier fighters, offering cost-effective performance with cutting-edge technology. As it enters service, the Tejas Mk2 is set to become a backbone of modern air combat operations. The 2026 HAL Tejas Mk2 is a powerful symbol of technological advancement and self-reliance. With improved performance, advanced systems, and versatile combat roles, it stands ready to shape the future of aerial warfare. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more in-depth updates on next-generation machines.